Hello friends, welcome to the TechListen channel. So friends, today I will talk about Geekom 3 advanced mini PC models. So friends, these desktop are developed using the latest mobile processor from Intel and AMD, employing the MoDT hardware architecture, and this design integrate energy efficient mobile processor into small desktop cases and offers a wide range of connectivity features. The upcoming lineup includes the IT14 Pro, A8 Max and APro8 Max models. The IT14 Pro features a 0.7-liter chassis akin to NUC, and it is powered by an Intel Core Ultra 7 115H Meteor Lake processor with 6P plus 8E plus 12P core configuration totaling 16 cores and 22 threads, and the desktop utilizes an ARC iGPU with 8 Xe cores and an Enable NPU. Details about its memory, storage, and LAN specification are currently undisclosed. The A8 Max includes in a 1-liter class chassis operates an AMD Ryzen 7 8840HS or Ryzen 9 8940HS Hawk Point processor. These processors have 8 cores and 16 threads and are based on the Gen 4 architecture. The A8 Max is equipped with Radeon 780M iGPU comprising 12 compute units and 768 stream processor. The notable feature is the upgraded Ryzen AI NPU, offering an AI interface performance of 39 TOPS, which is higher than the 34 TOPS by Intel's Meteor Lake processors, and the APro8 Max with the larger chassis resembling a gaming console largely share its hardware specification with the A8 Max but includes an additional Radeon RX 7600M extra discrete GPU. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.